Hello, here's a little video about get used to, be used to, not be used to, and used to do something. A little bit confusing maybe, but let's have a look. Nareru eigo de wa get used to plus noun, meishi, or genkei ing, domeishi. For example, I got used to commuting 2 hours a day. I'm getting used to my new factory job. I can't get used to this neighborhood. So the first sentence, I got used to commuting 2 hours a day, means you are used to it now. The second one, I'm getting used to my new factory job, means you're still in the process. You're still getting used to it. You're not completely used to it yet. And the last one, I can't get used to this neighborhood, meaning you have trouble getting used to it. It may help to look at the top. First, you're not used to something, not be used to something. And then the second part, you get used to it. That is the process. And then the third, you are used to it. Examples, I wasn't used to driving in heavy traffic. I got used to it. Now, I'm used to it. Second sentence, I'm still getting used to having natto. So it's still in the process. This person isn't completely used to having natto yet, but getting there. Next sentence, are you used to your new place yet? Has the same meaning as did you get used to your new place yet? Because if you use kakoke for get used, it means the process is finished. Next sentence, my cats aren't used to living with dogs, but some cats are. And the last example sentence, I got used to getting up early. Again here, kakoke is used, so it equals I'm used to getting up early now. The process is finished. And this may be very confusing, but this next structure is different. It has a completely different meaning. This is used to plus genkei. Meishi domeishi janakute genkei. Used to plus genkei means that you did something before, but not anymore. It talks about a past habit. Mukashi no shuka. Examples, I used to play basketball as a teenager. Did you used to go swimming as a kid? She never used to play with other children. We used to roller skate before. He didn't used to do that, but now he does. Because used, after used, you get to plus genkei. Sometimes it's difficult to hear. Should you put a D there? As in the first sentence, I used to play basketball as a teenager. Or the second sentence, did you used to go swimming as a kid? From the pronunciation, hatsuon kara wakarinikui. Demo in questions, in negatives, like the last sentence, he didn't used to do that, but now he does. There, we don't write the D. So, I know these are easily confused, but I hope that you learned a little bit how to use these different structures with different meanings. Very good. A little bit long video, but on to the next one.